1500 plus vocabulary with right uses of words and related images that help you to memorize longer. Let's start. Amenity, সুযোগ সুবিধা. The town has been carefully designed to offer its visitors every amenity. Amiable, অমায়িক. The driver was an amiable young man. Amiable, বস মানে এমন. Stephen Hawking's scientific discoveries were amenable to the laws of physics. Amnesty, আন্তর্জাতিক ক্ষমা. He was released from prison under an amnesty. Ameliorate, অবস্থা অপেক্ষাকৃত উন্নত হওয়া. His gift of rupees 50 million considerably ameliorate her financial condition. Amorphous, নির্দিষ্ট আকারহীন. Amorphous titanium oxide may be obtained in a pure form. Anachronism, কালের বিচারে বেমানান কিছু বা সেকেলে. Their style was seen as outdated, anachronistic. Analogy, সাদৃশ্য বা মিল. He drew an analogy between the brain and a vast computer. Anarchy, নৈরাজ্য বা অরাজকতা. The high number of strikes resulted in near anarchy. Anecdote, সংক্ষিপ্ত এবং মজার কাহিনী. The book is a rich store of anecdote. Animosity, সক্রিয় বিদ্বেষ বা প্রকাশ্য প্রকট ঘৃণা. A person whose look could kill a person, his animosity is evident. Anomaly, ব্যতিক্রম. It is often unpleasant to see an anomaly anywhere. Antecedent, পূর্বপুরুষ. Darwin said that monkeys are the antecedent of human beings. Anticipate, প্রত্যাশা করা বা অনুমান করা. I don't anticipate it being a problem. Antipathy, অত্যন্ত বেশি ঘৃণা বা অপছন্দ করা। They have a mutual antipathy to each other. For more videos, subscribe our channel and keep your learning ahead. Thanks for watching.